Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect to the VLSI servers and how to launch different software such as TCAT, HSPICE, Cadence, etc. on these servers. You might be wondering why do we even need a server and what is the function of server? So let me explain. Suppose you need to use software that costs hundreds of thousands of dollars annually. Buying that software on your own would be unrealistic, right? Instead, our department purchases the software and installs it on a big computer, which you can access remotely. This big computer can be called as a server. So at our university, we have VLSI servers where a variety of software has been installed. In this tutorial, I will guide you through connecting to these servers from your personal computer and launching the software. So for that, we need to install two softwares. The first one is Pulse Secure, and the second one is Real VNC. You will get them in our UTK website. So you need to search for the Pulse Secure. You need to just search the Pulse Secure UTK and go to the Team Dynamics. Go to the link of Team Dynamics. Just go there, and you will get instructions of how to download and install the VPN. Actually, this Pulse Secure is a VPN to connect to the network of the university. And the second software, in a similar way, you have to search Real VNC UTK. Then you will get the link of this software. So just go there and follow the instructions to download and install this Real VNC software. So after installing, just at first open the Pulse Secure software. So I'm just searching here. I need to open this software, and then it's already set up. You will get instruction of how to set this UTK VPN in the website. So you have to click on this connect button, and a new window will pop up, and it will ask for a net ID and the password. You have to insert your net ID and the password and login. Maybe it will ask for a duo verification, and it will take a few seconds to turn on. And as you can see that it is already connected to UTK VPN. And then you need to open the Real VNC software. So I'm just searching Real VNC from the Windows, and then click open, and this kind of window will open. This is the interface of the Real VNC viewer, and you do not need to sign in here to use the Real VNC software. So, and you need to at first to connect to the servers, or more specifically VLSI servers, you need to type the VLSI server address here. So actually, our department has several VLSI servers. The VLSI servers are named as VLSI 9, VLSI 10, VLSI 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 maybe. So suppose I want to connect to VLSI 10 server. So I need to type here VLSI 10 dot EECS dot UTK dot edu, then a colon, and then 99. And then you have to press enter. So let's press continue here, and it will ask for your net ID or username. I mean, you have to insert your net ID here. I'm inserting my net ID and my password. And then I need to press OK. Then it will ask for duo push. I am selecting one, and then OK. And a duo verification will come to my phone, and I will just allow it. So this is the interface of the VLSI 10 server. So at first we need to go to the activities, then go to the files section, then this is the directory of the VLSI server. So you need to open, or you may create a folder inside this directory. So to create a folder, just right click here and use the new folder. And suppose I am naming this folder as ECA 335. Okay. And I have pressed enter. So this new folder is created. And so in this new folder, in the open space right here, you need to click a right click on the mouse, and you will get these options, and click on the open on terminal, and this kind of terminal will open. So let's assume that we want to see which softwares are installed in the servers. So to do that, we have to type a command. The command is module aware. So you need to type this in this terminal and then press enter, and you will see what softwares are installed in this server. Okay, so including the version of the software. Suppose we want to launch the software TCAT Centurus. So this is the Centurus software, and the version is 2022. So suppose we want to open or launch this software. To do that, we need to type another command. Before that, we need to go back to the main line of the terminal. Currently, it is somewhere else. So to go back to the main terminal line, you have to press Control and C from the keyboard. And then as you can see that we are back in the main line. And then we need to type module load and the software name we want to open. Suppose we want to open Centurus. So we need to type Cent, and you just need to type a part of it at the first part of it. Then I have just typed ACNT, and then I will press tab from the keyboard, and it will automatically complete the name of the software. And we also have to include the version of the software. So we will again press tab, and actually there are two options. There are two versions of CentOS right here. Suppose we want to the version 2023. So we need to type V. Then again to complete the rest of the part of this software name, we need to press tab from the keyboard, and it will complete the version name as well. And then we need to press enter. So if we want to open any software, just we need to type this kind of command like module, then space, then load, then space, then the software name. Okay, then press enter. And it actually will load the Centura software in the background. And to launch this software, we need to type another command. So to open the Centuras, we need to type SWB, which is the short form of Centura's workbench, and then and. Okay, then press enter, and this will actually launch the software TCAT Centurus, and it will open the software or launch the software. And from this point, I think you can use the TCAT Centurus. So let's test another software in the VLSI server. So let's go back to the terminal, and to go back to the main line of the terminal, let's again press Ctrl plus C from the keyboard. And then again, we will open another software which is called HSpice. So to open another software, maybe the process is exactly the same. So you need to type the same command, module load. Suppose I want to open HSpice, then I need to write some part of this software name, and then press tab to complete itself. So then, yeah, I have pressed tab, and then here is a full software name, and we need to press enter, and this software is already loaded in the background. Now I will show you how to open another software which is called Cadence, which is a very popular software. So to open or launch the Cadence software, you will need these two folders. You will be provided with these folders when you will use the software Cadence. So after collecting these folders, you need to enter into first you have to save these two folders in a directory of this server, and then you need to go to the Cadence folder, and open a terminal here by simply right click here, and you will see the option opening terminal. Then the terminal will be opened. And before launching the Cadence software, let me clarify one thing. Cadence needs multiple modules to be loaded. So loading those modules one by one can be hectic. So we actually create a file called startcat. This is actually here in this Cadence folder. So let me show you this. Let me show you what's inside this startcat file. Let me open it. So what this code does, it actually loads multiple modules. Do you remember that I told you to load any software or module, you have to type module load, then the software name or module name. Exactly, these things are written here. It actually opens multiple modules at a time. So if you run this code, and it will actually open multiple module files here. You do not need to open each and every of these modules separately. So this is what startcat file is, and maybe these versions actually continuously changes time to time. And when you will use this Cadence software, maybe the version number will change. Then have to come to uh, this code, and you need to change the software version maybe. So suppose our IT installs Virtuoso version number 620. So then you have to come to this startcat file, and then you need to change this number to 620. Okay, so this thing is applicable for all of these modules actually. So let me close this file. So to run this startcat file, we just need to open a terminal. Clicking right on the mouse, you will get the open terminal option, and click it to open the terminal. Then if we want to start this startcat file, we need to just type a command. You need to type source startcat, and this command will actually run this startcat file and open all the modules written in the startcat file. So let's press start. Let's press enter, and it actually opened all or loaded all the softwares, and also it's launching the software cadence. It will take a few seconds to fully open. So here is the interface of the cadence software. So this is how you will open the cadence software, and maybe if you want to load multiple modules, then you can use this startcat file and write those module names in the startcat file, and thus you can open or load all the module files at once. And that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.